nhỏ vì mua cái lú nữ ya cho ya nhỏ tan đủ cua ninh nhỏ vì mua cái gió gió chỉ mua có lú xia chỉ so gió theo tay nó chỉ mua cái lú thấy một thôi ya lo chỉ mong đi chỉ thâu tao cho lưu hai chia tia yêu si lưu có cờ lưu xia giờ ya cho tia lo yên yêu lưu vì có tia cu yên yêu khu một cái lưu la mưa khơi chia có ta nhớ chỉ mùa cho xia cứ yêu quay qua trái hồng địa tay nó just for love cứ mà mua cho nước phụ nhau sống tu lo cho con giờ yêu lá cho lúc trong chuột lo chúa tao phò con giờ cho xia yêu tu là cứ yên chỉ bu có mò
and remember she's part of my life, my soul, and I hope that you will love her as much as I do.
I will.
No matter how far, no matter what she's sick, or she's poor, or she's can't even do anything. I hope you don't leave her alone. I hope that you will be there. You will be her right hand for her every time, supporting her. Today I'm your mom, and today and yesterday you're still my daughter. But tomorrow on, you will be Luis's wife. And you can't just do like before everything, that you will come over here and, you know, just asking me and dad and be like a childish. Now you're a woman, you're Luis's wife, and you will love Luis's family as much as you love us. Luis loves us, but you're gonna have to love his family. You're gonna have to take care of his family. His mom, cook, clean. This is part of a tradition. Do not argue with his mom. Whatever she asking you what to do, you gotta do it because you are her daughter-in-law. Remember that, okay? You're part of her family. She's your mom, okay? And yesterday I'm your mom, but from now on and tomorrow forward, she's your mom. And you gotta take care of your parents as much as you take care of us before. Love them as much as you love us. That's all I just said. And I wish you guys the best. I wish you guys to the fullest happiness. And I just want you guys to be together forever. That's all. Yeah, welcome. Thank you.
Yo entrego a mi hijo con ella.
The way I'm giving my son,
yo recibo una hija
the way
para mí.
I'm receiving a daughter to me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yo lo que les pido a ellos es
All I ask is for them to
que siempre se amen, que
always
tengan
love each other,
paciencia
have patience.
Uno con el otro.
Yeah, to each other's, one another's, love each
Nunca
other.
dejen un enojo para otro día, siempre platiquen.
Always communicate, don't just argue and sleep for the next day.
Siempre va a haber problemas y el camino es muy largo.
It's always gonna be discussions, but the path is really long.
Pero es muy bonito, hermoso, y más cuando
heart is shooting stars. You're holding heaven in your arms. Have you ever been so in love? Have you ever walked on air? Ever felt like you were dreaming when you never thought it could, but it really feels that good? Have you ever been so in love?